Most people get it wrong when it comes to supplements. They spend hundreds of dollars on pills, powders, and capsules, thinking it's the only way to fix their nutrition. But the truth is, real food can often do the job better. That's why I'm starting a brand new series called 10 Foods, where I show you powerful, underrated foods that can replace synthetic supplements. Usually, I make videos ranking foods by how good or bad they are. But today, I wanted to bring something different. If you like this new format, or you want me to cover other categories like 10 foods for better sleep, or 10 foods to lower inflammation, leave your suggestions in the comments. Let's build this new series together. 1. Avocado. Avocados are often viewed as trendy, but in reality, they are one of the most functional whole foods you can eat. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These fats are known to reduce inflammation, support brain function, and promote cardiovascular health. But there's more. A single avocado contains around 15% of your daily magnesium needs, about 20% of vitamin E, nearly 30% of your daily folate, vitamin B9. People often buy supplements to increase magnesium levels, support cognitive function with folate, or take vitamin E capsules for skin and immunity. But avocados do all of this naturally, and the nutrients are paired with the healthy fats that improve absorption. Plus, they're rich in potassium, offering more than bananas, helping to regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. They also contain fiber, which improves digestion and slows down blood sugar spikes. Want to boost nutrient absorption from other foods in your meal? Add a few slices of avocado. It acts like a delivery system for vitamins from everything else on your plate. 2. Eggs. Eggs are nature's multivitamin wrapped in a shell. They contain almost every nutrient the human body needs, especially in the yolk. Most people know eggs are high in protein, but few realize how highly bioavailable that protein is. The amino acid profile in eggs is so complete that scientists use it as the standard for comparing other protein sources. But the real star is choline, which is critical for brain development, neurotransmitter function, and liver detox. Choline deficiency is common, and it's rarely included in multivitamins. One egg contains about 147 milligrams of choline, which covers 27% of the daily requirement for men and 39% for women. Eggs also provide vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, iodine, riboflavin, B2. If you're taking multiple supplements for energy, brain fog, or immunity, eggs offer most of those nutrients in a single, natural form. And they're cheap, fast to prepare, and incredibly versatile. 3. Walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts aren't just symbolic, they actively support cognitive health. Walnuts are a rare plant-based source of ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 that's converted into EPA and DHA in the body. While the conversion rate is low, it still provides a valuable anti-inflammatory benefit for people who don't consume fish. Walnuts are also rich in vitamin E, polyphenols, copper, manganese. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protect neurons, and reduce oxidative stress, all without the need for isolated antioxidant supplements. Additionally, their combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein helps stabilize blood sugar, promote satiety, and reduce food cravings. If you're snacking on protein bars or relying on energy drinks, switching to a handful of walnuts is a smarter choice. One study even found that regular walnut consumption improved memory and processing speed in adults. 4. Sweet potatoes. If you've been taking vitamin A supplements, consider replacing them with sweet potatoes. Their bright orange color comes from beta-carotene, which your body converts into active vitamin A as needed, preventing both deficiency and excess. Just one medium sweet potato provides over 400% of the daily requirement for vitamin A. That means you don't just meet the need, you have a natural buffer. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin C, supports immune function. Potassium balances sodium and supports muscle contraction. Fiber improves digestion and satiety. Unlike synthetic vitamin A, which can build up and become toxic, beta-carotene is self-regulating. Your body converts only what it needs. Plus, the complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes offer a slow, steady energy release, making them great for athletes or anyone managing blood sugar. 5. Lentils. These tiny legumes are nutritional giants. Lentils are one of the best sources of non-heme iron, especially important for vegetarians and women with heavy periods. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains 37% of daily iron, 90% of folate, 18 grams of protein, a solid dose of magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Iron pills often cause constipation and poor absorption. Lentils, in contrast, deliver iron alongside fiber, which supports digestion and promotes healthy gut flora. Their high protein and fiber combo makes lentils perfect for stabilizing blood sugar, boosting energy, and supporting muscle recovery. They're also dirt cheap. In a world where supplements cost $50 $100/month, lentils are a $2 bag of real nutrition. 6. Garlic. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It's one of the oldest healing foods on the planet. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound with powerful antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Research shows garlic enhances immune response, helps reduce blood pressure, lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, improves detoxification enzymes in the liver. It also improves circulation and acts as a natural blood thinner, making it useful for heart health. You'll find garlic extract in many supplement blends, but they often lack the full complexity of fresh garlic. Eating just 1-2 raw cloves a day can support immunity during cold and flu season better than most synthetic blends. Some studies even link garlic to reduced cancer risk and better gut health by encouraging the growth of good bacteria. And 7. Blueberries. These small berries punch far above their size. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, plant pigments that act as powerful antioxidants and give them their deep blue color. They help protect brain cells from aging, improve memory and focus, support eye health, lower blood pressure, fight inflammation. A single cup of blueberries contains 24% of daily vitamin C, 36% of vitamin K, manganese, important for metabolism and bone health. While you can buy antioxidant capsules and memory supplements, none provide the same synergistic effects as whole blueberries. And yes, frozen berries work too, retaining almost all their antioxidants. 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are a nutrient-dense snack that rivals multivitamin supplements. Just 28 grams, about 2 tablespoons, gives you 42% of your daily magnesium, 33% of phosphorus, 23% of zinc, high levels of tryptophan, an amino acid that supports serotonin and sleep. Zinc supports wound healing, testosterone, and immune strength. Magnesium helps with over 300 enzyme reactions, including muscle and nerve function. Many people take sleep supplements or mineral blends. Pumpkin seeds naturally deliver what most pills try to simulate. They also contain phytosterols, which help lower cholesterol levels, and are one of the best plant-based sources of iron for vegans. 9. Spinach. Spinach is a green superfood, and it's not just hype. It contains folate, B9, supports DNA synthesis and repair, iron, especially important for energy and oxygen transport, vitamin K, one crucial for blood clotting, magnesium reduces muscle cramps and improves sleep, lutein and zeaxanthin protect eyes from UV and blue light damage. Unlike iron supplements, which are often harsh on the stomach, spinach gives you iron alongside vitamin C and fiber, helping with absorption and digestion. It's also a top food for pregnant women and anyone with high stress or poor sleep. Pair it with olive oil or avocado to boost the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. 10. Green apples. They're crisp, refreshing, and incredibly functional. Green apples are high in pectin, a soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Vitamin C supports immunity and collagen production. Polyphenols reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. Potassium helps regulate heartbeat and muscle function. Most people think of apples as basic snacks, but they can replace fiber supplements, gut health powders, digestive enzyme blends. Green apples promote healthy gut flora, support digestion, and may even help regulate appetite and blood sugar. They also have a low glycemic index, making them ideal for energy without spikes or crashes. I personally eat almost all of these foods regularly. Some I eat every single day, like garlic, which I love adding raw to salads or spreads. Others, I eat less often, like spinach, just because I don't always have it on hand. But here's what I want to know. Which of these foods do you eat the most often? Which ones do you agree with? And which ones would you leave off the list? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. Also, if you liked this video, go check out my recent food rankings. I made a full video ranking fruits from best to worst, and another one on the most powerful and dangerous mushrooms you can eat. Both are already live on the channel, and I think you'll love them.